There we go.
Nice, very nice. There's some nice rocks over there. Can't miss those.
Got the nice rocks in the shot.
There you go.
Hey, Will. There's Marley. Marley's finally here with us. Hey.
Only took a few days.
Yeah.
Some nice little gazebos.
Yeah. I don't even know,
I want to
like,
go in that one that has like the big drum thing.
that one right there.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit that.
I'm going to hit it.
You guys don't know it yet, but I'm gonna.
Oh, this is the symbol tower.
Yep. Very important.
What does it say on it?
I didn't have any
It
mosquitoes.
says
It's in Korean.
knowledge.
Okay, I'm aware it's in Korean.
I can't read it.
It says wisdom is the highest form of knowledge.
I bet you it does say some stuff like
I made
that.
that shit up.
What?
I'm in that vlog way too much. Is it really?
Are you gonna? Yeah, it's recording. Are you gonna try with the chopsticks again?
Well, this is how I use chopsticks.
You guys are gonna be in my vlog, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Say hello.
Yeah, might take you pictures.
Putting this in the vlog. Hey, is it your turn? Okay. Alright, do you want to take the... It's gonna be... Oh! It was in my hand.
It's you.
No. It should have... Okay.
Ashley.
So, I lost the drinking game. Woo! It fell in the soy sauce. That's really great. Okay. Recording. So, we are walking down a road on this. Hi, say hi, people.
Hey, people.
Hey. We are walking down a road in Daejeon.
It is nighttime.
It is nighttime. You couldn't tell by the darkness surrounding us. I don't know where we're going. We're just going.
Oh, we're gonna cross the street.
We're gonna cross the street up here. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, there's the sign that points to the bus terminal that they told us was in the bottom of the E-Mart. Walking fast. Santa Fe, look, I drive that car.
I'm not gonna make
We might make this one, I don't know, it's at like 20 seconds. I don't know, should we risk it?
We're going now.
Oh, are we going this way?
Yeah, that's the way back.
Okay.
You gotta watch the top though.
Yeah, we gotta cross here, and then that'll tell us when to go. Oh, we can go.
No one gives a shit about pedestrians around here. Heck no.
No. So,
Woman for herself.
in Korea, car comes first, not pedestrians. So, you actually have to like pay attention, or else you will be killed. You will die,
We'll die.
as Laura said. There's a hospital? That's a clinic. It's a clinic. tribesmen up ahead of us.
Who left just because they're cold-hearted.
They left us while I looked for my camera. My feet are soaking
My
wet.
shoulder is soaking.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay, it's just a one-person umbrella. I kind of just crammed myself under here. Oh,
We're gonna do this. Oh my god!
I have one in my room. Why didn't I bring it?
I hate the rain. Oh, my shoes are full of water.
I'm gonna have to change.
Hi, Paige. Where are we?
Emar!
Yay!
I was just about to walk straight out. No, let's start doing bar.
This place is so big. All right, Laura.
I'm gonna put this slimy thing on my face.
Tiger. She's gonna transform into a tiger. I'm going to be a ghost. That is my animal.
I'm going to be a cat.
I'm mildly disgusted by this.
I've done one before. They have them at Bilo, but like they don't have like not like animal ones, and they're not, you know.
How do I open it?
Yeah, I put on one before, but it wasn't. There's a slit right there.
Oh, okay.
You pull that.
Yeah, this is like white. This looks like something inappropriate.
It does.
No, seriously though.
Still trying to peel this apart. Come on, tiger.
Make sure you don't rip it.
We have to look in the mirror and put it on.
Oh, here we go.
There's a bathroom over there.
This is
The mirror's right there.
Oh, there's a mirror right there too.
Yeah, I know because Lego was doing it earlier.
Ooh.
Oh, my bad. Oh. They're really cool.
This is such an uncomfortable sensation.
I kind of want to just go like laundry, but I know you're not supposed to do that. Woo. It smells funny. It smells like makwa.
My transformation is complete.
Do you want a video? Take over the
Look at
camera.
my hands.
Oh!
I don't.
Wipe them together. It's
Here, wipe them on my arm.
it's an essence. It's good for your skin. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Just put your hand on the entire camera. Okay. You don't have to record just me. Oh, that is particularly slimy. I mean, I've used
Isn't
these
it though?
before, but this one is particularly.
You're supposed to smoothen it out, but I can't seem to smoothen.
Oh, Priya's looking kind of scary.
I need to take pictures so I can upload them. You don't mind, right?
No.
And show them to my boyfriend. I told him I was gonna do one of these with him when I come back. He's like, okay. Do you want to get yes.
Thank you.
Like, now that you use that, you just kind of.
You might want to pull your nose flap down.
I am. I was waiting.
Adorable.
So cute.
Kitty.
I need to get me some of those for back home.
It's funny because I like kept on talking about them, and then they disappeared.
Let's see, Ashley. Meow. Oh, so convincing. I thought you were a cat for a second.
It's
So?
gonna moisturize my hair too, because my hair.
There's the three of us. Looking hot.
This is how.
I even have a little whisker. Oh, it's in my mouth.
Hopefully it's
You
edible.
don't hear me yet, huh? I'm supposed to leave it on for like 20 minutes or something.
Oh, here we go.
Is that yours? Oh, which one did you get? We both are ghosts.
It's like all in my mouth.
I'm trying not to talk.
We'll update you in a little bit.